Today we start the third chapter. Third chapter of is private, public, and global enterprises. Private, public, and global enterprises. In this, we start this chapter. The introduction. In the previous chapter, we studied the forms of type of private sector enterprises. In this chapter, we shall discuss the role, forms, and merits and demerits of the public sector enterprises. So, we have discussed the forms of public sector enterprises. Public sector enterprises public sector organizations are formed in three different public sector organizations are formed in three different forms. The first is departmental undertaking, second is public sector or statutory corporation, next is the government companies. This is the chart of the Indian economy, mixed economy. In before this chapter, in second chapter, we have to be discussed private sector. They are sole proprietorship, partnership firm, joint Hindu family business, cooperative society, joint stock company, multinational companies. These are discussed in previous chapter. In this chapter, public sector, we have discussed the departmental undertaking, public corporation, and government companies. So first of all, departmental undertaking. This is the oldest form of the public sector enterprises. The departmental undertaking is considered as one of the department of the government. It has no separate existence than government. It features undertaking overall control of one ministry of department of government. For example, railway, defense, postal and the telecom and broadcasting department. While the next is the public corporation. Public corporation is also known as the statutory corporation. Statutory corporation is a body corporation formed by a special act of parliament or by the central or state. It is fully financed by the government. Its powers, objective, limitations, etc. are also decided by the act of legislation. For example, Indian Airlines, Air India, State Bank of India, Life Insurance Corporation of India, Food Corporation of India, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation of India. This is in the public corporation of or statutory corporation. The next is the government companies. Government company means any company in which at least 51% of the paid up share capital is held by the central or state government or partly by central or state. The government companies are governed and ruled by the provision of Act 2013 like any other registered companies. For example, Steel Authority of India, State Trading Corporation, Hindustan Machinery and Tools. Thank you.